Hello guys, today we're back with another Roblox video. I just tried to make a video and it ended automatically at 9 minutes and 3 seconds. So something's telling me that this video, oh my gosh, we're gonna have to do fast. But anyways, yeah, I'm trying to save up money for the bank truck. But first I need a gun to protect. Oh yeah, I'm about to go work for the bank. Anyways. Ooh. Addie, the AK or the shotgun? Addie? The AK or the shotgun?
Shotgun.
Okay. No AK. Oh. Don't know why I thought that. I'm wasting money here. Okay. I don't know why the starts car is here. It's empty. Weird. Okay, yeah. Let's go get a job at the bank. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's go to the front. Again, guys, if it ends like really fast this time, I am sorry. Because it's been doing that the past few videos. If you didn't see in the title, in the last few videos, the titles. Oh my gosh, got it. Got him.
Are you a civilian?
Yeah, I'm a civilian. I work at the bank. Guys, it's okay. I got him. Look, guys. I'm gonna destroy his car. Dang it! I got a 1 to level now.
Just because you shot someone's car.
Yeah. Even though they were doing something bad. I need to get out of here before the cops come. Hey! What the heck? What just shot me? Or who? Come on, repair my wheel. $86 for a wheel. Nice. Okay, and some more damage as well. Yeah. Good job, fireman. Okay, guys, I killed him. I killed him. Start the job, got it, okay. $47,000, okay. How did that light get through there? It's there.